Thank you, Julia Hair, for sponsoring this video. This is a 13x4 honey blonde water wave. The unit is 24 inches long. This unit is 150% density. The unit comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. Okay, y'all, I'm blonde. This color blends so well with my skin complexion. I love the density of this hair. Like, y'all see how it looks full, but it's not that thick. That's what I like. I tell you that all the time. I love that because it doesn't make the hair feel too heavy. And I like it. Now, it came with a part down the middle, but I think I'm gonna do just like the flip over method, and I'm trying to decide if I want to wet this hair or leave it like this. Tie it all around a little bit. But yeah, I'm trying to decide if I want to put some product on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some product on it. Now, this unit does not come pre-plucked. You need to pluck this unit. If you don't want it to look wiggy, you want to pluck this unit because it doesn't come plucked. So I didn't pluck this one just because I want to show y'all how it looks. And also, y'all know I don't like plucking. I'll be having time for that, but we're gonna use some of this Cantu curl activator. Y'all, it's Sunday and my Jaguars get ready to play. I still have on my pajamas, so we gotta get that together. But I'm gonna just add a little bit of product, and then we're gonna spray it with a little bit of water. This is the shedding so far. But usually with my curly hair, I just finger comb it. I don't really like brush it out or anything like that. So if it sheds a lot, I wouldn't be able to tell y'all because, again, I don't use a brush. I just do it with my fingers. And by me just finger combing it, I didn't get a lot of shedding. I think this unit, I want to say this is probably about 150 density. That's usually what I like to go with my units. I don't like my units to be too big. Look at the curls. And so when it dries, it's gonna look really, really pretty. So we'll just wet this back like this. Y'all like me with blonde hair? Look at that. I love the color blend on this. This is pretty. Y'all know I get nervous wearing this really light blonde hair, but it is really cute though. There we go. This is pretty. So this is the style that I went with. I love it. So yeah, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box. Hey y'all, today is Friday and I am having a maintenance day today. I'm on my way to get a pedicure done. And then after that, I have a nail appointment, which I thought my nail appointment was at 11, but it's actually 12, which is fine because I could just go get my pedicure first. So I'm going to do that, get my red polish on my toes because my toenail polish is still new. Y'all know I only get a pedicure done once a month because I get gel polish. It lasts a long time. My pedicures are pretty expensive, so I only do that once a month. But I do have my little feet care at home. So I go to Gloss in the town center, if you guys are wondering, and I like to have Drake do my nails. That's his American name. He does a really good job. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then, like I said, I'm going to get my nails done. I'm gonna get the same color, no designs or anything. And then later on today, I'll probably take Ryan out to lunch. We just got to figure out where we want to go. It'll be somewhere new because I want to try some new spots. So we've been having a lot of new restaurants pop up lately in Jacksonville, and I want to try some of them. So we'll probably do that. Well, we are going to do that. We just don't know where we're going just yet. So while I'm getting my pedicure done, I'll be looking for some spots for us to go. So thank you to everybody that watched yesterday's video. I have some people asking like why the video is so short, but y'all know during Vlogmas everybody is posting, everybody's posting a lot, and I know it's hard for y'all to keep up. So I decided to try to keep the videos pretty short because it's hard for me to keep up with the people that I like to watch. So I know it's hard for y'all. So that's why the videos have been short. But when we get out of December, then I'll pick back up on my hour vlogs 2 days a week. So I'll see y'all at the nail salon. Okay, y'all, so of course Louis is not on time. I was late too. I texted him, I'm like, are you ready yet? But I was on my way because y'all know I just got my toes done. Child, he still ain't ready. So it is 2:10. And I'm just sitting in the car. So it's a Jamaican spot next door. So I went next door and got me 2 beef patties. That's so good. I love beef patties. I love Jamaican food. So good. And they're so flaky and a little spicy. And then you have to get the Jamaican pineapple. So good. Y'all, and the Jamaican spot next door, they don't sell macaroni and cheese. They only sell like peas and rice, cabbage. What other sides do they have? Yellow rice, I think, like dirty rice, white rice. But you know, they had a curry goat, curry shrimp, oxtails, everything. And it's pretty good. I've had their food maybe like 3 or 4 times. Me and Louis went over there together one time. Me and Kalila. I've been by myself. So it's pretty good. It's not the best Jamaican food that I've had in Jacksonville, but it's pretty good though. So I'm just sitting out here. He's going to complain about all this grease that's going to be on my fingers. But that's what happened when you have me waiting. And I need a $5 discount. Because, baby, time is money. Who got time to be sitting out here in this car? Waiting on you. I'm going to cuss him out when he get out here. Y'all want to see the beef patty? Because I know one of y'all do. I know somebody like, girl, let me see the beef patty. So, y'all. This is how it looks. Y'all know I'm vlogging on my phone, so this is how it looks. I'm just waiting on Lord to open the door. These fresh too, because they just open. Look. If y'all can see inside. That's how they look. So good. Well, I say my girls think. So good. Oh. They spicy too. So spicy. Here's a little bow-legged behind. Okay, here you come. I'll be back. I'll see y'all in a minute. Keep trying me.
What's up, G?
Why did you eat it when you got it?
'Cause it's too hot. I'm gonna
You
have
like my
grease
new
all
desk?
over my
You
face.
seen it, right?
Yeah, I've seen this desk last time.
Oh, I forgot.
Got my wallet, got my.
What we doing today?
I'm gonna just do red. I ain't gonna do nothing too fancy.
Oh, really? You fancy, huh?
Same color, Big Apple red.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. Why you saying it like that? I need a napkin.
Huh?
I need a napkin, but not that one, cause that one been sitting up against the wall.
No, how about this? How about I'll just pull it all the way out here?
Yeah, that'll
Put
work.
it here.
All right, give me no dusty ends.
Bougie.
You calling me bougie? Anyway, what took you so long with your customer?
Huh?
What took you so long?
I had to do some stupid shit, all this bullshit. Why?
Why? Cause I be here on time.
Okay.
I don't know how I'm gonna eat my.
What happened?
I don't know how I'm gonna eat my beef patty.
How you gonna eat your beef patty?
It's hot too. I gotta let it cool down.
Huh?
I gotta let it cool down.
Okay.
Ugh.
Why did you get the sea moss?
The sea moss from who?
They have sea moss over there.
Oh, I ain't see that. Where they keep it at?
The iPhone 11. I told you, remember? The red one. What happened to that one? Oh, who you buying it for?
Okay, y'all, back home. That's my phone. Back home, nails are done. Very pretty. Love the way that he shaped them. So cute. So me and Ryan decided to reschedule our, it was gonna be a dinner date for next week because all the good places like the dinner spots, they don't open until like 4 or 5 o'clock, and he was only free until 6, so we just rescheduled, which is fine. So now I'm going to just relax a little bit, probably take off this makeup, do some skincare. I have to pay close attention to my skincare during this time of the year because my skin tends to get very dry. I just sprayed it with some luminous setting spray, but it's gonna eat that right up. So I'll probably do a hot shower, do some skincare, put on some comfortable pajamas and watch some Christmas movies. I think I'll watch Best Man Holiday. I have to watch that every year. It came on a few weeks ago and I recorded it, so I still have that on record. So I'll probably watch that until tonight when my shows come on. Bell Collective. What else come on tonight? Bell Collective, Ready to Make a Move, and I think that's the only 2 things that I watch on Friday night. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'll probably go in there and fix myself a little hot drink, maybe a tea or a coffee, and just relax. Y'all know what? I've never made like a nice homemade hot cocoa. Like I've been seeing some people put milk in the hot cocoa. That's not usually how when I did drink it, I just mixed it with water. I know that sounds crazy, and I know that that's not the best way to do it, but I don't usually drink hot cocoa. But when I did, which was years ago, that's how I did it. Like I just mixed it with hot water and it tastes full. So that's probably why I don't drink it now. But I do have some in there because my son. So I think I'm gonna try to make a nice real cup of hot cocoa. I'm gonna look some stuff up and I'll let y'all know, because I know you're supposed to make it with milk instead of hot water, or maybe you add the milk. Child, I really don't know. I've never had real hot cocoa at like a restaurant or anything like that, and I want to try it. So I'll probably do that later on today. And I do have some stuff I need to clean. I need to clean my side of the bathroom, girl, because it looked full. I got a lot of products and makeup and stuff on the sink. And then I did say I wanted to clean out the refrigerator because we need to go grocery shopping. But I'll probably do that later because right now I just don't feel like doing anything after that. Foot massage, hand massage. Girl, I just want to relax. Look how pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab. I have a food Instagram page, Eating Pretty. I'll see you guys on the next one.